parang kung deployments or ano.
I'm in Minecraft.
Manuntok ka sa game, wag sa real life.
Camels okay. Okay, kanina pa. I need just to wait. Protected.
Namo konti. Okay, papapunta ko.
Okay. Okay.
Bali na lang ako.
Why is it taking so long? Okay. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, this is my home sweet home underground. And this is my fish tank. This is my fish tank.
And
This is my fish tank. Okay.
you're recording.
That's a bang.
It's elevator music. 15 seconds.
Elevator music.
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 5 seconds.
Okay. I'm gonna sleep because it's so light.
Ano pong gagawin niya?
We're going to listen to him answering our question.
Huh? Okay.
Yan lang ba?
Yes. Bukas 2020.
Okay. Okay, I'm going up because I know it's morning up. Told you. Okay, close this door. Oh my god, this is my original home. What's in this? No, nothing. I know there's a crate. Boom.
So, 10 questions ito.
Yeah, it gives gems.
Kuya, bibigyan ko ikaw ng chance bukas ipakita yung ano mo, video channel. Bukas.
Basic questions lang yan sa game.
No.
Okay, wait.
It's not.
I think I lost my home, maybe.
Who would know that?
Maybe I lost it. Oh, never mind. I'll mark this.
Dima? Dima culture.
The fourth.
Oh, 4.
The fourth culture. The fourth culture.
Okay, this should be enough.
Hello there.
Can you just stop it?
There's a kahapon.
Oh, God. Okay. This is my puppy. Its name is Reese. This is my chest. I couldn't open it because there's a wood there. Now I can
Ano
open
po
it.
ito?
Oh, dami bones! Para sa puppy ko yan. Okay, this is where my dog sleeps. And this is where I sleep.
I don't even know that.
And this is where my fishes live and sleep.
Wala pa yata.
Here. They sleep here.
Salamat sa
They play here. And this little guy is trying to hide from me for no reason.
Think the guy who's exposing.
Okay, I'm in creative mode so I don't drown. Okay, I want to do something. Wait, let me close this. I'm wearing an armor.
Who's Michael?
Okay,
Director of a film. Spring Small Town.
this one.
Okay, thank you.
There. lot of pet fishes. I have a lot of pet fishes.
It looks like sushi.
Gutom yata po kayo.
Hindi mo kasang mukha siyang sushi na nasa foil.
Ayun.
Oh, you show the icon. That's what's special kasi it's like the foil. Parang army na foil.
Meron ako na-record doon sa isang deployment ko sa Roblox. Nung December na tayo.
Army deployment?
Oh, sa Roblox. hindi sa Korea.
Okay.
May nangyari doon eh. Dapat practice lang yun sa isang deployment. Pero may nangyari.
Deployment.
Wait, that's
Fake lang yun. Our roleplay.
Why are you hurting your brother?
My God, big no. Dito. Ano yun? Dapat yan, mustache. Harry mustache. Supposed to be a hairy mustache.
Ako dito. Wash ka. Natalas gusto mo may mustache ka. Ay, mahusay ka. Manang-manang sa tito mo. Nagpupunas gamit ng gamit